new series of videos from us looking at our interior cleaning and leather care products. Today we're going to be working on this fantastic Ferrari 599 that our neighbours at the Octane collection have kindly lent to us, and we're going to be looking at using the leather cleaner. Sadly, this interior is actually quite clean. There are a few spots. There's a couple sort of down here, there's a little bit of shine on the bolster here, there's a small dark mark here, there's one up here, and there's a small area down here that's got some dark marks that we'll improve on those and show you the process more importantly. With the leather cleaner, you should always just test an area to make sure the product doesn't happen to react with your leather. It shouldn't do, but just in case, it's always worth checking. I've done that on this car already, so we're ready to crack on. I'm going to start by working on this bolster, and I'm going to spray a small amount of product onto a cloth, and then just gently work the area until I'm happy that it's removed the dirt and left a nice finish. It's always worth just folding the cloth over onto a dry side and giving it a little wipe. You want to just use a gentle wiping action and repeat that over and over, rather than pushing really hard, which could end up damaging the surface of the leather. So while we would generally recommend spraying onto a microfiber cloth first and wiping, where you've got an area with a slightly more stubborn mark, you can spray directly onto the leather and use a gentle brush to remove the marks from the leather. Once you've done that, just use your microfiber cloth again, give it a wipe, roll it over and use the dry side, and then repeat as necessary until the mark's removed. With a little bit more work, we were able to remove that mark, and now we have a lovely clean seat. So as we were coming out the car, we noticed a couple of marks on the door panel. So let's just remove those quickly. So again, spray onto the microfiber cloth and then just work the area. So we've managed to remove that mark on the passenger door panel. It looks like someone might have just caught it with their foot as they exited the car. That concludes how to use the leather cleaner. After using the leather cleaner, you could use the leather balm, the leather sealant, or a combination of the two to finish off the job. We'll go through those products and how to use them in another video coming soon. But if you have enjoyed this video or have any questions, drop a comment below, like or subscribe, and we'll see you soon for some more videos.